Hey there, if you've been doing internet marketing for any amount of time, chances are you've heard the saying, content is king. And when it comes to search engine optimization, of trying to get your website ranked on the first page of Google, I would emphasize that unique content is king. In fact, a whole industry has grown around what has come to be known as article marketing. And article spinning, where you take a single article and spin it into several different variations, is one of the hottest trends right now in internet marketing. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you why article spinning is by far the easiest, cheapest, and the fastest way to generate tons of traffic to your site, bar none. But
copy and paste a text into here, and then the first thing I do is I click on identify synonyms, and it now goes through this whole text and goes through its database to look for synonyms to suggest for all of these words. Alright, now it's done, and you can see that there's some bits of the text are underlined. This is when it has suggestions for replacing multiple words. Now there are several ways in which I can go through this text and start applying spinning syntax. For example, I can just click on this arrow down here and cycle through each of the words and phrases to enter alternatives, and that's something we can go ahead and do. So I start here with here's, and then we have here is, and let me reveal, and let me suggest. And that's very interesting. You see these two examples, let me reveal and let me suggest, are clearly not synonyms of here is, but that here it shows that the database of alternatives is human generated, because in the context it actually works with these two variations. You can add your own alternatives by clicking in this field here, and I could, for example, go telephone marketing and then just hit enter or click add, and it inserts the word. And as well as, probably not fitting in this context, but doesn't really matter, face-to-face, marketing, advertising, promoting, and so on. So I think this gives you an idea of how you go through the text and how the spinning is done. And if you have a look here, you can see it just automatically inserts the curly brackets and pipes spinning code. And of course, if I had to type this manually, that would be you know, a lot more bothersome than just clicking on words as I do here. So it definitely makes the spinning process a lot easier. And another thing you can do is you can select larger chunks of text. I can select an entire sentence, for example, and add alternatives down here, or I can even select an entire paragraph and then rewrite the paragraph. And so all I do here, I'm not going to write an entire paragraph, but if I just write in alternative 1, I hit enter, it inserts that, and I can write another one, alternative 2, hit enter, and so on. And when I'm done, I click out of it. Right? So it just inserts the spinning code automatically for me. And then I can go over here, look at the spun article, and look at some variations. And you can even see up here it gives me a word count, and it shows me the percent uniqueness of my text so far.